This is our NV alkaline machine. First we have to remove cover. First we have to open this tap by opening this nut like this. Then we have to open 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, at bottom 4 and 5. This is the open view of machine. First we have to connect raw water pipe at that point after removing this dead plug. Then remove this red dead plug and connect blue pipe for a brine water. Switch on the power and remove sediment output pipe and connect the extra pipe and flush the filter for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of flushing, close the water, input water, and disconnect this pipe and connect the previous pipe coming from input point. Like this. Then open the carbon output pipe or connect the extra pipe at that point, which goes to membrane input. With help of this pipe, flush the carbon filter again for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of flushing, again close the input water and remove this extra pipe and connect this point to the RO membrane input. Like this. There we have 2 open points. This point goes to the RO membrane output point, which is at the center of the housing, and connect this point. This is for brine water, and connect this in RO membrane brine point. After this connection, we have to flush the RO membrane for 5 minutes by removing this brine blue pipe from the membrane, and with help of the extra piece of pipe we have to flush the membrane for 5 minutes. After flushing of 5 minutes, again off the input water and switch off the machine and reconnect this pipe with RO membrane like this. Then we have to flush the alkalizer filter. Again open the alkalizer output and the help of extra pipe piece we have flushed the alkalizer for 5 minutes. Flush the alkalizer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes flushing, again we have to close the input raw water and switch off the unit. Then again we have to connect this pipe in alkalizer output. This pipe goes to UV input. Then we have to flush the post carbon filter. Remove the post carbon output pipe and flush the post carbon for 5 minutes, as we done in alkalizer or carbon filter. After 5 minutes of flushing, again we have to turn off the raw water, switch off the unit, then connect tank pipe at post carbon output point. This is all about the flushing of the filter. Then we have to check the leakage function for the machine, for which we have to close with help of extra pipe. We have to close this point and rejection point, then hold for the pressure creation in whole machine. Then we have to check visually for the leakage at all meeting points, like this, all points where the pipe pushed in the fitting holes. After ensuring the leakage function, we have to refit it the front cover. It's all about the service procedure which we have to follow at time of installation and preventive maintenance.